Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Wise Rat King. A moral story: never be greedy. The kingdom of rats was ruled by a kind king. One day, the king brought back with him a whole cheesecake. He ordered his ministers to distribute the cake amongst the hungriest of the rats. But the greedy ministers kept all the cake for themselves. A few days later, the king heard about the death of the hungry rats. He understood the greed of his ministers. The king brought another cake, which was stale. He again gave the cake to his ministers to distribute amongst the hungriest of rats. The ministers took the cake home and ate it all by themselves. The next morning, when they reached the palace, they all looked ill. The king asked them what the matter was. Finally, one minister gathered the courage to tell the truth. "We ate all the cake, Your Majesty. But the cake was stale and we all fell ill. We have realized our mistake."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.